pretty good. I'm also drinking my coffee because it's the morning time. And that's what I do in the morning. What's up, beauties, and welcome to Manders Merry Madness. So if you are watching this video, you've probably seen a couple go up where I didn't call it that because I couldn't decide what I wanted my Vlogmas name to be. So I have decided, with the help of the wonderful Hello Amy Cat and Subboxes and Cocktails, we were having a chat yesterday and they helped me come up with that name. Sorry, my hair's super crazy. It's doing its own little thing. But we are here and we are filming Rose Gold Glam Look today, so I'm really excited. I just wanted to sit down, film a video. There's snow out there. There's no wind today, which is really nice. I finally decorated my Christmas tree because that's like literally the only Christmas tree I'm going to decorate, because we don't get a Christmas tree because we're not here at Christmas. It's kind of silly for us to have a Christmas tree when we're literally never home. So if you're new here, welcome, and if it's your first time, welcome back. My name is Manders. We talk about a lot of makeup here. I do a lot of eyeshadow tutorials, and I usually drop things. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so you don't miss out on my future videos. So for today, we are going to be using something I don't have in front of me. That took a really long time. All right. So I am going to prime my eyes using my MAC paint pot. As you can tell, I've already done the rest of my makeup. I'm doing this. It's not going to be a super long video because I didn't want to do a full get ready with me. But I am going to talk about the sponge before I get started. This is the Shop Massé AOA Studio microfiber sponge. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but my makeup looks freaking awesome today, and I'm going to chalk it up to this sponge. Now this sponge I've had kicking around for a while, so it is a microfiber sponge, but it's losing its fuzzies, so I am going to open up a new one and start putting that one to the test because I haven't used this in so long, and I was like, oh my god, I forgot how much I loved this sponge. So side note, this is a great sponge. I'm going to take my MAC paint pot and I'm just going to dab on my eyes. I like to dip the sponge into the MAC paint pot. It applies very evenly if you do it this way. You don't have to. This is just what I wanted to do today. I think back to before I owned my MAC paint pot, like for priming my eyes, and I'm like, what did I do? Like now it's just one of those products that I literally reach for every single day. My lights, they're getting all twisted. Look, they turn on and off too. I'm going to show you guys this. Whoa, off. Flashing, flashing faster, stop. I want to keep them on this setting. And do you guys like my elf headband? I have an assortment of headbands, and like the bell is driving me crazy already. I have an assortment of headbands that I love for Christmas, so get ready for that. So what we're going to do today for the soft glam rose gold glam look is I'm gonna use this palette by Morphe. This is the 15, and I received this in a boxy luxe. I don't use it enough. I need to use it more, but I really do love like these shades right here, like the shade Cliche. You can get a really nice plum rose gold kind of look, and I like the shade Scene as well as this one Va Va Voom. I'm gonna go in with first. I'm gonna use my Moda brush. And I'm just going to coat my brush with that, and we're just going to take that and I'm just going to pop it into the crease. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, please check out my previous videos for Manders Merry Madness, and let me know what you think of those videos. I actually talked about this already, I think, or you will see it in a video. I just love this brush so much. It is super easy to work with. Now, you can see this is not the easiest formula for some reason. I don't know what it is about these Morphe palettes. I really, really like my James Charles Artistry palette. But these are just so much more stiff. Now, they're very workable though. So don't take that as that it doesn't work really well. However, you just kind of have to take your time. So I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to make sure everything's all nice and clean. I do like to go for a little bit more of a smoky dark look with my eye looks just because of my eye shape. Now you don't have to do this. You could just pop this just around the outer corner and then top a shimmer on top. This is one of my easier looks that I like to do. I'm going to go in with a clean brush and I'm just going to buff out all of those edges. This is my Luxie brush. This is the large eye blending. I like to just use this for buffing after I've done my eyeshadow. It's just, honestly, it's one I like to use. I also, when I'm using this palette, I like to dip into Custom, which is just a nice matte white shade. And I like to just dust that around the edge, just to really give it that kind of airbrush look. So it doesn't, there's no harsh lines. We don't want any of that. All right. One reason I did my makeup before I used this palette is because they are really stiff shadows, so I knew I wouldn't anticipate a whole lot of fallout, which is, so now I'm going to take that same brush and I'm actually just going to go in and I'm just going to buff into that shadow and make sure that it's all blended in. Very simple look today, nothing too crazy. And I'm going to go in with the shade Scene, so it's a little bit of a darker shade. It's like kind of like purpley, that right there. And I'm just going to take that and tap it on the outer corner of my eyelid like this. And I'm just going to pack it in and just blend it up, just like that. I have wicked hooded eyes. Like, I always want to do like crazy eyeshadow looks, and I'm like, okay, I can do that. But then you can't ever see what's on my eyelids because, like, look at them. So, sorry about that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh, love it so far. I am digging this. Like, and look at how easy something like this is. That's really why I wanted to sit down and do this look. I've had some requests for back to basics, and I know that this is not necessarily a back to basics look, but it is pretty simple. And if you have like this palette, like neutrals, girl, boy, anyone, you can make it work. I am going to take just a little teeny tiny bit on the tip of this brush of the shade Cliché, which is this purple, like plum. And because it's already mixed with Scene, I just want to dust it right under my eyelids. And I'm going to go in with another brush and clean that line, but I just wanted to add a little bit underneath. Just sort of smoke it out a little. This is kind of like a rose gold smoky eye. I think I smoked it a little bit more than I anticipated, but I'm okay with that, as long as you guys are okay with that. There are not, I always say there's no rules in makeup. I truly believe that work with what you have. A lot of people I've seen on Twitter, like, people are like, there are rules in makeup, and that is true. Like, you want to keep your brushes clean. You want, like, you don't want to do anything weird, but like unsanitary. But I always say no rules in makeup. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I learned from YouTube. Well, I do know what I'm doing, but same brush, going under, just fluffing it under, making sure everything's nice and clean. Beautiful.
The foundation has come off my nose completely today and it is driving me bananas.
Bananas. I have a single eyeshadow we're going to use. We're going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Paris. This is in the shade Amber Rush. I just am obsessed with this eyeshadow. If you haven't already tried one of these, now they aren't super affordable. Like, this bad boy was like over $10, but worth it. Comes like this, so you have to keep this. You don't want to lose it because it's like a pressed shadow. I like to just take it on my finger, just like that. Oh my god, it's blinding. It is truly the most blinding eyeshadow. It's funny because I've been reaching for my Shop Miss A, the AOA Studio, the cream to powder shadows lately, and they have a very similar look. But I was going through my collection yesterday and sort of reorganizing, going back in, seeing what I have, what I need to use. And this one, I saw it and I was like, oh, I forgot how much I loved that. So yay. And then I thought, what is a good, like, kind of Christmassy eye look that I could do? And I thought, what's better than Rose Gold Glam? And that's exactly what this look is. It's my Rose Gold Glam look. And this is actually one of my more, like, go-to looks. You're probably thinking, really? You crazy lady, you get ready for work like this every day? The answer is yes, I'm a weirdo. I have a job that it really doesn't matter. I like literally work with teenagers. They don't care what I'm wearing. I can go in sweatpants and a full face of makeup and people are like, yeah, it's totally normal. She filmed a video today. People just know what I do and they know that I have a YouTube channel and they know that I love makeup and not crazy eyeshadow. So it happens. By the way, this bell.
Driving me bananas. Everything's driving me bananas today. Why do I keep moving my stuff?
I curl my eyelashes now. I'm really excited about my decor. Sorry, it sucks. It's it's not even professional looking, but I don't care. I love those little stockings. Those are gift card holders. I love them. I love the dollar store. And actually, it's funny because it's Christmas now, so you guys are totally going to see some Dollar Tree hauls. Let me know, because I do go to the dollar store for Christmas type things. Like, I work in a school. I want to have as much accessories as I can. Oh my God. I am in love with today's eyeshadow look. I am so freaking happy. Oh, it's gonna be a good makeup day, guys. And I'm gonna wear this headband to work because I'm cool. It's December. Now, I'm not even a really big Christmas person. Like I said, that's the only thing I'm going to decorate. This room will be, this is the extent of my Christmas decorations. Now, my house is decorated because my mom did it. I wouldn't have decorated. I might have put up a few things, but I don't really get into Christmas. I have stepchildren and I love them and I love doing Christmas with them and they really do give me some more motivation to love Christmas. And my nieces and nephews, oh my God, they make Christmas for me, but it's hard because I'm home. When you're home, I don't feel the need to have all that stuff because we do Christmas at their house. And I'm thankful for that because I can just kind of go where they are. So that's usually what we do. Sorry, I feel like this Vlogmas Manders Merry Madness, honestly, it's going to be a lot of me, kind of just rambling as I do my makeup. I really just want to sit down, get reacquainted with you guys because I feel like I've been so hit and miss with my schedule that I really needed Vlogmas. I needed 31 days of Manders. 31 days. Holy smokes. Get ready for it, guys. Cheers. This is coffee. All right. That is my final look. My lips are super chapped, so I'm only going to throw a gloss on and I'm going to wait until I get to work because my favorite gloss is there. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you for dealing with this stupid bell. Let me know in the comments below, do you like my Christmas decorations or do they suck? And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below if you have any other Christmas ideas, any other Christmas makeup looks. This is the final look. I'm just going to get a little closer here. I want you guys to be able to see it. So this is my rose gold glam. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I absolutely love you guys. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.